Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Varennes local and long-distance movers near me. With the Cheap Varennes Moving Company, you can make your local or long-distance move easier. 3 Movers offers the right team for your move. We are not only the most affordable, but also the most efficient. Our professional movers give you the help you need when it's time to relocate. We have moved families, businesses, equipment, furniture, students, and veterans. You can enjoy a faster and easier long-distance move with our help. We have options to choose from such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We can make your long-distance moves super simple. Our team knows how to make it easier for you to move 100 miles away or further. Even if you need to go all the way across the country, we can certainly help you. With the help of a Canada moving company, you get the easy local move you want. There is a ton of work to do, even though you're not going that far. Any move under 100 miles is considered a local move. 3 Movers will help you move locally. Whether it's down the street or to the next city over, we can help you. With our help, you'll be able to settle in easier and sooner. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Varennes moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.